Picture this. You're walking down the street, and every house you pass whispers secrets of wealth, stability, and the occasional backyard barbecue. But before you start dreaming of flipping houses like pancakes on a Sunday morning, let's dive into the wild world of real estate investing. First up, the pros, because who doesn't love a good pro list? Real estate is like the golden goose that lays the golden egg, but instead of eggs, it's passive income. Picture this. You own a property, tenants pay rent, and voila, you're earning money while you sleep. It's like having a magic money tree in your backyard, except it requires less watering and more maintenance checks. Diversification? Check. Real estate can be your ticket to not putting all your eggs in one stock market basket. When stocks are down, sometimes property values are up, dancing to their own economic beat. Plus, there's the potential for appreciation. Buy low, sell high, or just sit back and watch your property value climb like a cat up a curtain. Tax benefits? Oh, they're there. Deductible expenses, depreciation, and if you're clever with your 1031 exchanges, you're basically playing chess with the IRS. But remember, this isn't a game for the faint-hearted or those allergic to paperwork. Now, for the cons, because every rose has its thorn, and every investment has its risks. Liquidity, or the lack thereof, is like trying to sell a giant antique couch in a studio apartment. Your money isn't just tied up, it's handcuffed and thrown in a safe. Selling property can take time, and in a pinch, you might not be able to access your cash when you need it. Upfront costs can make you want to run for the hills. Down payments, closing costs, renovations, it's like a financial hazing ritual. And don't forget, properties don't maintain themselves. Roofs leak, pipes burst, and tenants sometimes think your property is a canvas for their creativity. Then there's the market risk. Real estate isn't immune to economic downturns. When the music stops, you don't want to be left holding the property that suddenly isn't worth what you paid for it. And let's not forget about the emotional roller coaster of tenant management. It's like running a small country with its own set of unpredictable citizens. So, what are the approaches to get your feet wet in this concrete jungle? Flipping houses, buy, renovate, sell. It's like HGTV, but with more stress and less scripted drama. Quick profits if you know what you're doing, but one bad flip can leave you in the red. Rental properties, the classic. Buy a place, rent it out. It's a long-term game, but if you're in it for the passive income, this is your jam. REITs, real estate investment trusts, for those who want real estate exposure without the headache of property management. It's like owning a piece of the real estate pie without baking the pie yourself. Real estate crowdfunding. Team up with a bunch of strangers on the internet to buy property. It's the modern-day barn raising, but with digital shares instead of hay. Before you jump in, consider these factors. Location, location, location. The same mantra that's been around since real estate was a thing. Research neighborhoods, future developments, schools, and job markets. Interest rates. They can either be your best friend or your worst enemy. Low rates? Borrowing is cheap. High rates? Ouch. Market trends. Is the market in a bubble or on solid ground? Only your crystal ball knows for sure, but education and analysis are your best bets. Your financial health. Don't mortgage your future for a property. If you can't sleep at night thinking about the mortgage, it's too much. Legal and regulatory environment. Zoning laws, rent controls, tenant rights, oh my. Investing in real estate can be exhilarating, like riding a roller coaster blindfolded. It can lead to financial freedom or a financial wake-up call. So, arm yourself with knowledge, a dash of courage, and a hefty dose of patience. Here's to hoping your real estate ventures grow, not just in value, but in the stories you'll tell about them.